Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing. Thank God I was able to get my hands on her, but we'll get into her in a few minutes. So baby, come on, let's go ahead and get into who's that girl. And we're gonna go ahead and put her together. We're gonna unbox her, we're gonna put her together, and yeah, get into her many sneaky deaky details, because baby, this Barelace is lacy. All right folks, come on, let's go. So usually I'll come up on here with a full beat face of makeup, but since she's bare, I want it to be bare too. You're lucky I ain't come up in here nudish like, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I first saw this collection on Instagram. One of the beauty suppliers that I follow, they were actually at a convention. Baby, when I tell you I wanted to see more of this, because they were all on stands, they look so beautiful, and I was just like, I need to go ahead and cop her. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. Now, she is beautiful. I already opened her up a little bit just so I can do a little video, but this is how she is packaged. She comes with a little tape thing here that you can open up. Her information card, let me see if I can push her. Yeah, okay, her information card looks as such a cute card. Oh, this is what it's giving on the inside, because you know I like to show y'all this. And of course, this is what she's giving in the back. The many different colors. I actually like this better, but the many different colors of wigs that this wig actually comes in. I got the 13x6 unit 1. I really don't like when these wigs don't have names. I like to be able to mentally transform into whoever that girl is, and transform into unit 1 just sounds like a robot. So okay, straight out the box, did you see that? It's like she's like, you don't even really see a lace. I'm not even gonna lie. There's no flitter. There's no flitter. No flitter. Look, no flitter. Baby girl is long. This is what her inside is looking like. Again, she's a 13x6. She's standard 2 combs on the side, the one in the back, and she's an adjustable strap, because I think, if I'm correct, she might be a glueless. Wait, this is to show you what her lace is looking like up against my skin. Come on now. Come on now. Is on in hopes that she is actually, probably wait until my kids go to sleep to do this, but because I did that this morning and they ended up waking up early in the morning, and now here I am trying to finish this daggone mom life, yo. So you probably just gonna hear a bunch of nonsense in the background this whole video, and I would say I apologize. But if you got kids, you already know. So it just is what it is. Let's try. That's gonna fit snug, I can already tell. Oh, well, I could already tell you she definitely big head friendly. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. All right, look at there. No plucking required, baby. That's what I'm talking about. If I'm going to pay $60 for a wig, baby, I better not have to plug. You feel me? It'll be rough for you, girl. Now, oh, she's so pretty. Your girl is a silky texture. She got a shine to her, but she is fine. You see all that? All right, so your girl had to cornrow these fresh cornrows I did. Yeah, fresh out of prison, baby. Had to cornrow these bad boys to see if I can get a flatter lay, because this was not working, and I'm ready to just cut my hair, to be honest. Like when my wigs can't lay straight. And don't get me wrong, it's not like I wear my wigs every day either. So this is the reason why I did these little twisties. But if this is gonna get in the way of my synthetic wigs, we gonna have a problem. All right, let's try this again in hopes that this actually fits my big head with these daggone stupid braids. Okay, it feels a lot better actually, I ain't even gonna lie. Okay, yeah, this feels a whole lot better. Ooh, cause I was about to say, how am I supposed to get this wig on? Now she definitely comes with the baby hairs. You can tell she's ear to ear. If, I repeat, if I didn't have this daggone on, you see the little humpty hump? Oh, nah, she gonna have to go. Cause I got a bunch of wigs I gotta review. She gonna have to go. Okay, the braids underneath here are frustrating the out of me. But I said we're gonna do this together. This might be a little bit of a long video, but we're gonna do this together. So, clip up my hair real quick, and then I'm gonna cut off these daggone ear tabs. You see how she's sitting? Like, she technically is not sitting where she's supposed to sit, which is right over here, because my hair is braided in the back. But I'm gonna handle that this weekend. She got to go. So, let's go ahead and cut these ear tabs real quick. I should. Alright, she got a lot of flyaways, so I'm gonna take my bead head hair stick and just try to maintain these bad boys, these wild ass. Yeah, I'm going to glue her down with this adhesive spray from Eben. Just the front here, just so I can have an even lay. And then I'm gonna take the hairs and make it go bone straight down this way, because I feel like this part is not gonna get covered. As you can see, she's all the way back here. But if my hair wasn't braided, then I'll be able to wear her glueless. Alright, so I put my elastic band on, and now I'm about to blow dry this a little bit up the front, but then I want to like kind of sort of lay her down a little bit too. But again, she's not going to be able to, because I got a braid right here that looks Humpty Dumpty and a braid right here that looks Humpty Dumpty. So don't come for me if she don't look bone straight like I want her to. Don't come for me. Alright, now we're going to take the scissor and cut this bad boy, this lace, as close as possible to your... I'm going to get close, baby. I'm going to get close. You feel me? Alright, now that I cut the lace off, we are going to use this Wonder Lace Bond from Eben. It's a melting spray, extremely firm hold, and supreme. It has vitamin E and silk protection in the black bottle. This is my go-to. This is how I lay down my lace or melt my lace the way it's supposed to be melted. You feel me? Baby, but do you see this? Do you see the hairline though? Oh, shit. Okay, so take a little bit, put it on my fingers. Before I used to just spray it directly onto my forehead, but then it would start melting into my makeup and hated it. All right, just start pressing it in to your forehead like so. You see that? You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. Trust and believe. This band's probably not gonna come out right. Oh, 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 oh. Hush, 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 hush. Hush, hush, hush. Hush, hush, hush. Hot. I said hot. I said hot. She came out good. She had a little bit of residue, so you want to clean that off. But not bad. Baby, she not that bad. Oh, okay. I see you Barelace. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna give a little bit of them baby swoops. Just a little bit, nothing too big. And then go from there. Yeah. She's looking totally off. Just a little bit, but that's okay. This is what I got. This is what I got, baby. And this is what y'all gonna get too. Let me spray her a little bit so I can get some of these flyaways out of here. Cause the flyaways are something serious today. All right, last but not least, let me get some of my bronzer up here to blend her. Give her some of that realistic feel. Real talk, it's amazing what a little hair can do. This is what I got. This is what Miss Thing is looking like. And baby, barefaced and all, she got me looking kind of cute. Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think of this unit 1. Let me go ahead and just get into her specs. All right, so this is the new BARELUXE lace, light diffusing lace, material deflecting light for a non-reflective, barely visible finish. New lace technology beyond HD and transparent, barely allowing any lace visibility. Lace so thin it looks like skin. Baby, that's skin right there. Oh no, that's skin right there. Hold on. 10 in my book. Like, she is beautiful. Would I buy her again? Yes, I wouldn't hesitate. There's no way I would hesitate. Sorry for the noise in the back. My kids are watching TV. Price range is awesome because I literally don't have to do anything. No plucking required. And she means it. You really don't have to pluck if you want to do the baby hair. She looks realistic to me. She looks amazing. And she got me glowing a little bit with my natural, with no makeup on. So yeah, would I buy her again? You damn right I would. I would not hesitate. And she was under $60. You can't go wrong for this synthetic human hair blended wig, baby. And where would I wear her to? She must be seen. Damn it. Everywhere, you feel me? And this is the main reason why I decided to do the bare look, because I wanted you to see how this wig will look for your everyday, as well as if you decided to go ahead and dress up. And she looks good. She got me looking good. She got me feeling good. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. This one's a little bit longer than my usual under 10-minute videos, but you know, I had to give y'all the details on this wig. If I missed anything, if you have any questions on, you know, where I purchased her or whatever, I'll probably try to make sure I link everything in the description box so you can make your decision on whether you gonna get into this Barelace collection or not. And I really think you should, but you know, y'all let me know what you gonna do. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, you will go ahead and get notified. Sorry for the noise in the back. My kids are being kids. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Later.